STACY Carmichael now reports that the responsibility of designating remigrants will soon be transferred from the Ministry of Foreign Affairs to the Department of Citizenship. This was revealed by Minister GREENIDGE during a recent interview.
In shedding light on the remigrant system and the ministry's role in the process, Minister of Foreign Affairs GREENIDGE clarified that over the years, the fiscal concessions afforded to remigrants have been the source of many scandals. However, the minister said the records of the ministry do not show any significant amount of these cases, either by complaints or action by the Guyana Revenue Authority, the institution which grants the concessions.
The records of the ministry do not show, over the period up to now, any significant number of cases, either by way of complaints or by way of action by the GRA. We have, for example, I believe that a number of complaints came in regarding dealers in particular, and individuals who were simply in a business, in commerce. They brought in vehicles, sold them, and then disappeared. The vehicle was written over to somebody via a power of attorney. I believe that the record of the ministry doesn't show a large number of these.
Minister GREENIDGE said in 2017 there were no reports, and for this year only 2 cases were drawn to the ministry's attention. A remigrant is any Guyanese living abroad for a period of 5 years, or in the case of a student, 4 years, and wishes to return to Guyana. The person is expected to make the claim for remigrant status within 6 months of arrival.
Our records don't suggest that you've had any dramatic infringements here, primarily because we at the Ministry of Foreign Affairs, in defining remigrants, do not go outside the law. In fact, it is specifically overseen by one of our senior lawyers. In fact, this senior lawyer. In other words, whilst normally there's a call for discretion, we exercise none. 6 months is what the law required, 6 months is what we apply.
The minister anticipates that by October, the Department of Citizenship will take up the role of granting persons remigrant status. Training has been completed for staff of the department. For InfoHub, STACY Carmichael.